In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access safety and emergency. Then click on emergency contacts and tap on add at the bottom. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and select OK or Cancel in Notify Contact pop-up. Now do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of your contacts, click on this icon of a pen and a paper, at the top right corner. Click on this X next to your contact that you wish to delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on the same icon and using those two lines on the left of your contact, drag it to change order of your list. Then click on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!